Easy to assemble. Small and lightweight. With a quick fold like no other.
Watch me how I do it now. Presto!
Presto, the perfect second stroller for your up-tempo life. Accepts all Chicco infant car seats with no additional adapters needed.
Here I go. Watch me how I do it
And
now.
that fold.
Presto!
An extendable canopy, UPF 50 protection, and one-hand recline. Did we mention the quick fold?
Presto!
Tap, tap, flip-flop friendly brakes. 4-wheel integrated suspension, and 2 cup holders with 3 positions.
Check it out now. Presto! Presto!
Presto, the lightweight quick fold stroller from Chicco.
Presto!